Hello students, welcome back e-classes of Computer of Standard 12th. Let's start our next topic, e-commerce business models of chapter number 4. The business models of e-commerce are defined based on the parties involved and the type of business activities or services provided. Generally, the classification is done on the basis of who is selling to whom. First business model of e-commerce is business to consumer B2C. Second, business to business B2B. Third one, consumer to consumer C2C. Fourth one, consumer to business C2B. Let's understand each of them in detail. First one is a business to consumer business model. Business to consumer B2C refers to business and organizations that sells product or services to consumers over the internet using websites. It is the model taking businesses and consumers interaction. Consumer from anywhere can browse and order the products or services anytime. The sellers can sell products directly to the consumers and the buyers are individual customers. This is the type of e-commerce that the consumers are most likely to see on internet. Apart from online retailing, B2C also include services like online banking, real estate services, travel services and many more. Some examples of B2C websites are amazon.com, rediff.com, fabmart.com, flipkart.com, etc. For example, we have opened one e-commerce website like Flipkart. Next, we have select the ebooks category. When we click on the icon of any of the ebook, it shows the details like author's name, price, reader's rating, book review, publisher and ISBN number. Pressing the button Buy this ebook adds the book in the shopping cart. Similarly, you can add any number of products to the shopping cart. You can also delete a selected product, change the quantity of the product in your shopping cart. To confirm the order, press the button Place Order. This will take you to the final screen where you are asked to create a login. In case you have not created, provide the billing address, shows order summary and payment options. Once all this process is over, the purchase order is made and the ebooks are shipped to your address provided in the shipping details. Next e-commerce business model is business to business. Business to business B2B refers to e-commerce activities between different business partners. In B2B, both the seller and the buyer are business entities. It enables the businesses to form e-relationship with their suppliers, distributors and other agents. For example, a manufacturer deals with a supplier, a distributor and a wholesaler. With the help of B2B, the companies can improve the efficiency of common business activities like supplier management, inventory management, payment management, and many more. It is an effective media for managing telemarketing, supply chain, procurement, just-in-time delivery, online services. Some example of B2B websites are commodity.com and tradeindia.com. Next e-commerce business model is consumer to consumer. Consumer to consumer C2C refers to e-commerce activities involving transactions between and among the consumers. C2C enables the consumer to directly deal with each other through online auction and classified advertisements without the involvement of third party. Any internet user can become a vendor or purchaser at C2C websites. Auction sites are good example of C2C model. Some example of C2C websites are ebay.com, olx.com and quicker.com. Consumer to business e-commerce business model, government to business, government to citizen, government to government. These e-commerce business models are deleted from GSAB syllabus. I hope you have understood all the topics of chapter number 4. Thank you, students.